Hello everybody in a new video. If you wanna start calisthenics, here are 3 basics you need to master. The first exercise is push-ups. It's a key for chest, shoulder and triceps. Keep your body straight and go all the way down. And we have the dips. The dips always hit your triceps and lower chest. Control your movements and don't flare your elbows. The third basic exercise is pull-ups. It's gonna build your back and biceps. Starts from a dead hang and pull your chin above the bar. These 3 moves are your foundation. Practice them right and you will go far. Follow for more calisthenics tips.